Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report from my friend in Alabama on his Galaxie DX98 BHP. Well, we got it ready to go for you, sir. Did our tune and alignment, and you wanted a water gate, and you're in a big truck, so instead of you having to reach way up there and push that all the time, we have built you a remote water gate right here. You wanted to record on a toggle, so that's what we did. And there's your playback right there. And we went ahead and put an amp on off switch for you, just in case you're close to some drivers and you're really overdriving them. So as you see now, a key up, no light on. Flip it up. When that light up's in blue, that means your amp is on, okay? So I'm just going to show you what we got here. RF power all the way down. 100-watt slug. Keeps about 5 watts all the way down. Now we did that so that if you decide to run an amplifier later on, that you have full adjustability. 40 watts all the way up. We'll roll it back down. Show you average power swing. Hello. About 84 bird. Go over to the peak side. 250 watt slug. Hello. Right on the 250 watt mark. Alright, my friends, ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump, bump.